God's mercy, God's kindness, God's benevolence is for all, not for a selected few. We need humility when we come to the Lord's table, accept our unworthiness, and thirdly, persistence, perseverance in our faith. We see all these qualities, all these facts in today's gospel passage. We see the woman who is not a Jew. Jesus is now in a Gentile territory. He has gone to take rest because he is whole time working in the Jewish lands, teaching, healing, and he's tired. He wants to take rest. He is not in a Jewish land, he is in a Gentile land, and yet he is there to take rest. But we find this woman comes not for herself, for her daughter who is unwell. We all know that people who are mentally sick or those who are not fully themselves, how they behave, they cannot live normal life. And this mother could not accept that the daughter could not live a normal life. She wanted her daughter to be a normal self, just like herself and others. So she comes pleading to Jesus to heal her. And we may be embarrassed or think that Jesus has insulted her. And Jesus says, the bread is for the children and the others like our dogs. This is only testing her faith. To see really, she really has a deep desire that Jesus can do this miracle. And we see the woman's acceptance of who she is. The Jews, the children come first and the rest are second. But she knows that this mercy will also extend to her. And for this faith and perseverance, Jesus rewards her, says, go home and your daughter will live well. The message, as I said, is clear. God's love, God's mercy extends to all.